Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to charge your iPhone 6s using a quick charge power bank. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone, a power bank, and the lightning port cable so we can bring the iPhone on screen, unlock with our thumb, fingerprint, bring the power bank, which is quick charge. If we see on screen, auto quick charge, and then the lightning cable itself, insert the lightning cable into quick charge, turn this on, two lights available, and then the lightning port will take the cable and now we can see the phone itself is starting to charge. If we leave this for about 20 minutes, we should go from 63% to 100% as we are using quick charge. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.